In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text box transparent in WPS Office Mobile. This is a very useful formatting technique, especially when you want to place text on top of other content without hiding what is underneath. By adjusting the text box settings correctly, you can make your layout look cleaner and more professional while keeping everything visible. To start, open your document in WPS Office Mobile and make sure you are inside the editor. At the bottom left corner of the screen, tap the icon to open additional options. From there, tap Insert, then tap Text Box. A text box will appear on your page ready for you to use. Once the text box is added, tap inside it and type the text you want to include. At this point, you may notice that the text box sits on top of the text in your document. Because of this, the content behind the text box is not visible, which makes the text box appear solid rather than transparent. To change this behavior, you need to adjust the wrapping of the text box. First, tap the text box itself. You will know it is selected because gray circles will appear along the edges of the box. These gray circles indicate that the text box is active and can be edited. With the text box selected, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Wrap. This option controls how the text box interacts with the text and elements around it. After tapping Wrap, choose the option that says Behind Text. As soon as you select Behind Text, the change will take effect immediately. You will now notice that the text behind the text box becomes visible. This creates the transparent effect, allowing the text box to sit over other content without blocking it from view. You can now drag the text box around the page to position it wherever it fits best. As you move it, you will clearly see the text underneath, confirming that the text box is transparent. This is especially helpful when adding labels, titles, or notes over paragraphs or images while keeping the background readable. If needed, you can also resize the text box using the gray circles along its edges to better match your layout. The transparency will remain as long as the wrapping is set to behind text. Once you are satisfied with the placement and appearance, you can continue editing your document as usual. This setting will stay in effect unless you change the wrapping option again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.